Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about subqueries or query within query. Sometimes when we run a query, it cannot solve our problem. So because of that, we have to run one query in another query. So here I want to find the average for warehouse. First of all, I just write the structure, select and from. So here I want to join two tables. So the order table, the orders, I name it as O, inner join, and also the next one is the warehouse table, so I name it as W on. And here instead of writing name of this table, I use from this O and W. So here I just O, and here I want to combine these two tables based on warehouse ID equal to W dot warehouse ID. So I joined these two tables. So now I just type here the name of the columns. So I have to address the name of the table as well. So here I just type here O dot order date, comma, O dot order ID, comma, and here I just write the W dot warehouse alias. So I want to name this one as alias, comma. So here I need to find the average of warehouse alias. So now if I want to write the function at the end, I have to group that. When I group this, so it means like I have to filter based on alias or order ID or anything. So I don't want to group this. I don't want to filter. So I just want to find the average for each warehouse alias. So in that case, I have to run another query. So here I just run another query, select, and here under the select, so I just write the structure from. So now I select the warehouse table, so I just select this, and here under the select, so I want to find the average of total employee. So I just type here AVA. So here I don't need to write the name of the table, so I just write here employee total, and here I should name it as average total. You can see here I wrote one query. You can see here I wrote my query in this query, and I don't need to group this. Now I just want to add order this, order by, order ID in descending order, and I want to limit it to 7 rows, 7, and I want to run. You can see here These are my 7 rows, and also I ordered this by order ID, and here you can see the average total for each warehouse alias. So I have found it here. You can see it's almost 15 employee for each alias. So that's it about Subquery. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.